Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite free websites for doing family history research. In my last video, we started learning about Melvin Amos Halsted, the guy who helped start the town of Lowell, Indiana. We looked at some basic information about his life and his autobiography. Now we're going to dig deeper into his story using genealogy and history research. Even though I've been a professional genealogist for over 20 years, I still use Family Search as my go-to site when I'm researching someone. Family Search is a website created by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and it's super easy to set up an account. Plus, it's completely free. So come along with me and let's learn some genealogy research tips while we explore more about Melvin Halsted's life and how we can find even more information about him. First, we will create an account at familysearch.org. We just need to set up a username and password. Super simple. And then we will have access to their thousands of scanned records, transcriptions of historical records, as well as their family trees. Okay, we have created our account. Here is what the screen looks like, and we want to do a basic search. We will just enter his first and last name, Melvin Halsted. We know he lived in Indiana, as that is where the town he started is located. Also, we have a birth year of 1821, and there we go. It has searched its vast database, and the first hit is a find a grave record with his death date and burial information. Looks good and looks like our guy. Just hover over and we get a pop-up showing more information. Name of the cemetery, West Creek Cemetery, and we have the option to click on View Record. Let's do that. This screen on the left directs us that we can view the original post on Find a Grave. I am game. Let's go. Find a Grave is also a great free resource that has been built by volunteers to collect cemetery and burial records. Fantastic site that you can use independently of Family Search. Let's see what they have on Mr. Halsted. Perfect. Look at that. Birth, death, even a link to the map location of the cemetery. Pictures including of his grave marker. We even have links to some of his family members. Jackpot, someone has also transcribed his obituary. Great information. Now that we have all of that great new info, let's go back to Family Search. Quick scroll, skipping land records for now, and we quickly seem to be in the weeds a bit. Maybe if we tighten up our search inquiry, click the pencil to edit our search, and oh, we can change this. Our initial simple search set his birthplace as Indiana. We know he was born in New York. Let's add that. Then place Indiana as where he was known to reside. Tip: when you enter a place, always pick from the pop-up if available of their preferred search term. And let's see the results of our better search. The 1850 United States Census was the first census where it lists all members in the household by name, not just the head of household. We also know that 1850 is when Melvin moved into his now historical house, the Halsted House in Lowell, Indiana. Let's click on his name by the 1850 census. And there we have the transcribed data. To the left, if we want to see the real deal, we click View Original Document right under the smaller image of the census page, and there it is, an actual scanned image of the census from 1850. Zoom in and there we found him. August of 1850, head of household, Melvin Halsted, 29 years old, stonecutter by trade, $1,800 in personal property, born in New York. What's fascinating are all the other members of his household listed. Martha C., 25, presumed wife. She was born in Pennsylvania. Then a William and a Mary, presumed to be their children. Next we have Patty, 50 years old, born in New York. Could that be his mother? Then Edson, 27 years old. A brother, perhaps? And two more. Orlando E. Haskins, 28 years old, boom maker, also born in New York. This must be the O.E. Haskins he refers to in his autobiography. He never mentions that they were related, something to look into. Then 18-year-old Raoul Haskins. So that is all I have for you today as we bring the true story of Melvin Halsted, founder of Lowell, Indiana, a little clearer into focus. I hope I have helped you find a terrific free resource to further or even begin your family history search. FamilySearch.org. Stay tuned as we further our search and hopefully also learn some research tips along the way. Thanks for watching.